This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, in today's session we are going to start our new module, that is personal administration. In this we are going to see configuration of personal number assignment, which include two main steps. First is maintain SAP number range interval, and second determine default for number range using NUMKR feature. And we are going to view configuration related to these two steps today. In first step, that is maintain SAP number range interval. In this step, various number range intervals are defined, and this includes specifying the interval limit, that is from number to number, and the type of interval, that is whether we are configuring for internal employees or for external employees. In this, what we are going to define a number range for our employees. You can say that employee codes. We are deciding a number range for our employees. For example, from 1000 to 2000. That is kind of number range we are going to decide. And in second step, determine default for number range. We are defaulting whatever the number range we have created, and when employee is hired, this feature is used to determine which number range should be defaulted. So why we use this feature to make employee numbers default. For a simple way, or in simple words, you can say that a number range can be assigned based on a company code. That means all the employees in a given company can be assigned a personal number with a specific number range. So guys, this is all about the theoretical part, and we'll move toward practical scenarios. Now, if you want to configure the number range, which steps you need to follow? Let me just quickly show you. You have to click on SPRO. In SPRO, further you have to click on SAP reference IMG. In SAP reference IMG, go to personnel management. Personnel management section here. Expand this. Further, in personnel management, you have to click on personnel administration. Click on personnel administration, and very first section, that is basic setting, expand this. And in basic settings, you have to click on maintain number range interval for personnel numbers. Execute this, and you will get option here to view display intervals and change intervals. Click on change interval first, and you will get this kind of screen where existing number range which are already used in this system. So last number is used in this system, that is 9 lakh up to 30. This is, so we need to select a number range one above this number. Let me just show you how to create that. You have to click on this insert line, and first you need to give a code for your number range. You can enter a numeric value or any alphanumeric value. For our company, I'm going to give a code that is VI, and whatever we have discussed, that number range should start from number and to number, we can decide here. Our number range will start from whatever the last number used, incremental one value, that is 9,31. And for the time being, for practice purpose, I'll select only 10 numbers here because I don't want to waste employee codes here. So up to 10 employees we can hire in this company. In real practical scenarios, you can take as per the requirement of client. I have selected a number range that is starting from 31 to 40. And here you will have option to select whether you are selecting for internal employee or external employee. If they are external employee, you have to click on this external icon. Enter your value and save. Control S. Click on continue. So you have successfully created a number range. Here VI is our number range. So we have completed first part, that is configuration of personnel number range. Click on back. Again click on back. And now the next step, we are going to maintain a feature. Which feature? That is a NUMKR. NUMKR feature is for what? To determine default for number range. Whatever the number range we have created, we want to make that number range default for our company. Execute this. You will get this kind of screen where first NUMKR is mentioned. NUMKR is nothing but a technical name that SAP has given, where first you have to click on that. Further, you have to click on Mulga, and under Mulga, you have to create your country if that is not visible here. So our configuration is related to India. So click on India, and further, if this BUKR is BUKR is company code is not visible, if you, then in that case you have to click on that and click on create and select this field for decision, and you have to click on BUKRS, but that BUKRS is already present here, so I'll not select here. I'll do further configuration. So if you observe here, there are existing companies. So I would like to show you one more scenario here. So in this company, we have selected one company here, and how to select the company? You have to click on this company code, click on create and search your company, and further you have to select employee groups of your company, and under that there are two options for permanent employee and for retiree. So you can configure like this, and other way I would like to show you. You have to click on company code, click on create. Once you click on create, you will get list of companies. Now you can search your company here with name or company code. So I'm going to search my company by company code, VI Industries. I have selected my company, click on copy, and now you will get your company here, VI Industries. Click on your company again, and again click on create node, where you will get return value selected. So keep as it is, don't change, and click on continue. And in this pop-up window, you have to assign whatever the code you have given in number range. In my number range, recently I have created for VI, I have given a code that is VI. So whatever the number range you want to make it default, you have to enter that number range code here. So I have entered VI here and click on transfer. So for my company, I have selected this number range should be defaulted. Now I would like to save this. To save this, you have to click on Ctrl S, click on continue. Further, you have to follow two more steps to check whether your configuration is correct or in this there are any errors. You have to click on this icon. This icon is for check. You have to check whether this is error free or it is having some errors. You click on that. Once you click on that, you will get a notification on left bottom corner, and it is showing that decision tree is error free. That means your configuration is correct. And one more step, you have to activate this feature. For that, you will have this icon. You have to click on this icon. Click on that. Click on continue. Once you click on that, you will get notification on the bottom left corner. Feature was generated. That means your configuration is correct. So this is all about how to configure personnel number and make whatever the personnel number default for your company. Hope guys you will like this configuration and this session. Thank you so much.